Oh, because of the strain.
That was a surprise.
You know how it is. You know how it is.
So, we are taking everything out of the fridge because we're getting a new fridge!
So I told my husband that for my birthday I want a brand new fridge so that I can cook enough food and fill up the freezer and fill up the fridge so that I don't have to cook all the time. You guys, our fridge is here. Our fridge is here. So there's another fly.
Thank you.
Thank you. 1 second. Is he gonna stay?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down just like that.
Okay.
Is he picking up the food?
Yeah, just taking it out.
What's the what the food is getting the wires out?
The water side. Oh, that reminds me. I need to remove this eyes, right? I'm gonna put the eyes. Yeah. This can still plug. Yay! I have an extra fridge. Are you sure I'm still going to sell this thing? Eh? Let's see. It's on. Yeah. So.
Alright.
I knew it was going to fit in. Name 5.
I said more.
I knew. You were doubting me. Eh? So, are you ready for the surprise? When they set it up, you will see the surprise. Yes.
I will see you surprised when they set it.
When they set it up, yes.
So, this fridge is the only thing.
Yeah.
Mommy, it looks like... it looks the same
It's
though.
deep, right?
The water line for
I don't know, it looks the same.
Yeah. It's still cold. We still get it. What if it does not enter that?
Can I hear me go downstairs so that I can come downstairs to see this?
Yes, go upstairs after you come downstairs to see the surprise.
I don't want to like...
So do not come down, and all of you come downstairs at the same time. Go.
Okay.
You can call Jude now. You can call Jude now. So that keeps it in place?
Yeah.
Okay. You already did the sides?
Yeah. Ooh, man. What we looking like? We're gonna be in that long ride. Oh, man. They're down 14-3. Well, not too bad. I mean, it's still the second quarter. So.
Mel, in your barrel now. Is it all the way in?
No.
Okay. Like even if
It's sticking out that much.
yeah, but even if it is this one, it's still good. It's still good. It's not that bad.
That would be too much.
Yes! Yes!
Oh, because of the strain.
That was a surprise!
You know how it is. You know how it is. Hey, you're trying to get a fridge and you're like, nah, you have to buy this one. But it's expensive. Oh, but you have to find me out.
It's so cold! Oh my god. Like it will make the water colder. This is so beautiful. The kids are going to scream. Oh my God. Until it's all in, so it's not that
So I
bad.
pushed it in more.
Yeah,
It can't go any further inside, right?
Nah, that's it.
that's it. But that was what we predicted. Thank you guys so much.
You are going to get an email about our delivery. It's going to come with a survey
Yeah.
from me and her. 9s and 10s are passing. Everything else is a fail. Okay?
Don't worry about that one.
Okay, sure.
If you don't see 9 and 10, you will see 1 through 7. If that's the case, don't do anything.
Do you guys want something to drink?
Thank you.
Thank you. Are you guys a couple? I just wanted to ask.
Yeah, we're married.
Yeah.
Because you look alike, I'm like, are they siblings or are they a couple? I'm like, bye. Should I call the kids now? Or should I set it up first?
Say it up first because they're not gonna
They're not gonna say anything.